we've completely rebuilt our Victorian loft room in just 2 months, but the ever-mounting overwhelm of everything we still have to do is real. And yes, I've made a whole mess. Patricia! We went from the literal open air to a plastered shell very quickly, thank you builders, which leaves the painting part now in our court. First things first though, I tanked the shower in the new ensuite, which is basically waterproofing the walls so nothing can get through and damage that plaster when we're having a good old wash in here. I've done this before and it's such an easy DIY, but it does take time. There's a primer coat, taping, coat 1 and coat 2, but now it is done. The ensuite is ready for tiling, which is wild. That also means we can move on to a more exciting task, painting the walls. Well, we're miscoating them to start. This is a base coat of paint that the fresh plaster soaks up and sort of seals itself in so your actual top coat of paint doesn't flake off. I started in the ensuite using the jumbo 12-inch roller for the walls and a little 4-inch boy for those smaller areas. And pro tip, don't climb a step ladder with a big trough of paint on it, especially if you're clumsy like me. We'll be ignoring the big white splodge on the floor going forward, okay? Please and thank you. I miscoated the whole space all by myself, and we've got a lot of real estate up in here. So many edges and awkward corners to paint, and it was neither quick or easy. The fresh plaster sucks it up so quick and it goes nowhere.
Got soup.
And yes, I've added some water to the paint. I'm just very grateful this only needs the 1 coat. Day 1 of hours and hours of miscoating got me to here, but we still have to reach all the way up here, and I have no idea how we're going to do that, so let's find out in part 12, shall we?